Hi Broll, it's Marvin here from TechBroll.com, where we do unboxings, reviews, and sexy b-rolls. In this video, I just want to share with you something different when it comes to this channel. Usually, I upload or I do tech reviews, electronic gadgets, gaming peripherals, PC components, and what have you. But in this video, it's a little bit different as I share with you an unboxing of a plant. So I wasn't really planning on doing this video. Initial plan is just to shoot pictures, but since I'm doing a setup video tour soon, why not share this very important part of the setup, at least for my sanity, you know. So this is the Ficus Garden, and we're gonna unbox this for the first time here on this channel. With that being said, let's get into it. Alright guys, so again, like I said, this is a very different video. So again, we have here the Ficus Garden. So this is a local brand here in the Philippines, but the essence of this video is to give you guys an idea that having a legit real life plant on your desk setup could be a better option than, you know, having something like this, a fake plant. So alright guys, so right here I have a couple of boxes. So I guess we have two plants from Ficus Garden. Let me just change my camera angle here so that I can give you guys a better look at it. So, okay, so this is actually quite personalized. Thank you, Marvin Gabriel of TechBroll by Ficus Garden. So what's inside is Sansevieria hybrid with marble gray Hachi planters and Hachi catch plate. So that's the first one, and the second one pretty much the same plant but with off-white Hachi planters. Okay, so what do we have here inside this little brown packaging? Okay, so just a couple of stickers. So a preview of the product, as you can see here. Let me show it to you closer. There you go. And then what is this? Okay, so logo of Ficus Garden and a thank you card as well as their contact information. Better check this out guys if you're interested. So again, I'm not really planning on making a video about this, but I just wanted to share with you something different on this channel and that you might apply or add to your overall desk setup. Not necessarily from Ficus Garden if you're from outside the Philippines, but you know, getting some real plant on your desk setup. So let's go ahead and unbox this. In fairness, the packaging is actually pretty good for a plant. Very well detailed, and yeah. So let's open the first one here and then the second one here. So again, watch out for my updated setup tour video soon, hopefully this week or next week. Okay, so I think I need to open it like so. There you go. I'm actually quite excited about this. Boom. So again, instead of having something inanimate or dead or fake like this, we have something that I should take care, which is a living plant right here. So how do I remove this? Maybe I just rip this box open just to make sure. Sorry for the very anticlimactic unboxing experience. So yeah, so aside from the box, we actually have some covers or protection for the actual plant and the base. So here's the actual plant, and let's just remove this one here. Okay, there you go. Oh wow, okay, kind of messy, but that's okay. Let's open this up. So this is the catch plate, and it is also protected by a paper. So again, this is my first time actually having something like this, and I'm quite excited to add this to my overall desk setup. Let me just clean this up real quick. There you go. So this is the catch plate. There you go. And we have the plant itself. As you can see, we have some cover here so that so that will not get messy during shipment. There you go. So yeah, wow, okay. I'm not sure if I can flip this sideways, but maybe I'll just show this to you on cam right here. So yeah, this is the first plant that we have here. Off white is the color of the vase. So we have the Ficus Garden logo here, as well as the plant right here, and yeah, pretty awesome. And you can put your catch plate here at the bottom. So again, this is something that I can recommend you to add to your desk setup to spice up your desk, and I think this is good for minimalist setup as well. So that is the first plant. Let me show you the second one. Okay, so this one is the gray color, my bad, and this one is the off-white. So this is the off-white variant. I don't know if you can see the difference on the camera, but yeah, so on cam, there you go. So this is the off-white variant. On camera, they don't look too much different from each other, but personally, this one is more white and this is really gray. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much, Ficus Garden. And for you guys who are interested to spice up your setup, you can add a living plant on your setup. Not necessarily again from Ficus Garden, but if you want, you can check out the links that I'll put on the description below. So I think that's about it, guys. This is a very quick video, guys, just to share with you the unboxing experience of my first time owning a plant. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Subscribe if you like this, and subscribe for the setup video soon. Have a great day, guys. You're awesome. Oops.